today module 5. The concept is DB scan. So we are going to start with DB scan. What is DB scan? How the method is working. So density based clustering locate a region of high density that are separated from one another by region of 2 density. So how we are going to calculate? We'll discuss. So usually, preferably, the DB scan is a simple and effective density based clustering algorithm. So which illustrates the number of important concepts that are important for any density based clustering approach. So with respect to this, moving to the next slide, DB scan is a density based algorithm, so which stands for density based spatial clustering of applications with noise. So this density based clustering locates a region of high density that are separated from one another by region of low density is equal to number of points within a specified radius. So here the center based approach. So there are several distinct methods, but DB scan is based on center based approach. So here this particular method is using only the center based approach. In this center based approach, density is estimated for a particular point in data by counting the number of points within a specified radius, so which includes the point itself. So here we can consider one small circle. Imagine there are number of points. So here one particular point that we are going to, center point that we are going to assume, center based approach that we are going to assume. So the number of approach within the radius of the estimated point. From that estimated point, what are the number of nearest points available? So we will be calculating that also, the number of points, right? Next one. So this center based approach, here the classification of points according to center based approach. So how it is going to play a role? So first, like this center based approach, based on the center point, we are going to calculate the other respective points, number of other respective points. So the next step only we are going to perform the operation, the classification of points according to center based approach. The center based approach to density, which allows us to classify the points into following 3 categories. So here the 3 categories are: one is core point, second one border point, third one noise or background point. So what this core point will do? So these are all comes under the classification of points. The core points is nothing but the point in the interior density based clustering, so which will be there in the interior cluster based. A point is a core point if the number of points within a neighborhood around the point determined by the specified parameters. The parameter will be of distance function. It exceeds a certain threshold. So based on the certain threshold, which is also user specified parameter, which will perform the operation. Next, second one is under the classification of points, the second one is a border points. A border point is not core point, but falls within the neighborhood of core point. So this border point can fall within neighborhoods of several core points. And the last one is the third one is the noise points. Noise point is any point that is neither a core point nor a border point. So here, like the center of the circle approach that we will be consider with respect to 3 circles. But the nearest neighbor points we have to do the calculation, number of points, neighborhood points, that calculation we have to make and keep the record. And next one is the DB scan algorithm. What the DB scan algorithm will do? It can be informally described as following: any 2 core points, so that are close enough within a distance EPS of one another, or put in the same cluster. So any border point that is close enough to a core point is put in same cluster or core point as a core point. So these noise points are discarded. DB scan algorithm, it have several steps. First one is it label all points as core and border with respect to noise, and it eliminate noise points. Where the noise points are there, it will be eliminating, and it will put the edge. It will like where the edge will be, we will be calculating, right? So where the edge will be, So that edge also will be come under the consideration, and the group is considered the core points in respect to the clusters. So any two cores, the concept, this particular concept is preliminary. So any two core points are close enough. Any border point that are close enough to a core point is put in the same cluster as the core point. So next one is disadvantage. So both the strength and the drawback, weakness will be discussed. So this DSCAN was a density based definition of a cluster, and it is repeatedly resistant to noise and can handle cluster of arbitrary shapes and size. So this DBSCAN has a trouble when the cluster have widely varying densities. It is also have trouble with the high dimensional data because density is more difficult to define for such data. And a DBSCAN can be expensive when the computation of nearest neighbor requires computing priorities with respect to priorities. So this DBSCAN is not entirely deterministic. Border points that are reachable from more than one cluster can be the part of either cluster. Depending on the order the data is processed. So this quality of DBSCAN depends on the distance measure used in the function region query. And the solution for this. So already we discussed the strength and weakness. Now the solution is the point marked as outliers are not discarded as such. So they are just points not in any clusters. You can still inspect the set of non-clustered points and try to interrupt them. So DBSCAN is designed to give clusters within any knowledge of how many clusters they are or what shape they are. So next concept that we'll be discussing the cluster evaluation and the density based evaluation.